Hey, today I've got a Century Rim Cylinder. It's already clamped up, so I'll show you like that. It's, well, I'm going to say a 5-pinner. It looks like it. I've not picked this. It's one of that part of the box of 40 I got with no keys, so I can't even show you if it opens. I just grabbed a couple and clamped this one up first because it was silver. Right, okay, I'm going to go in with a number 3 Peterson short hook, top of the keyway. I've not heard of Century, so I'm gonna give it a bit of tension, not too much, but definitely a little bit more than usual. Okay, I'm gonna wriggle my way to the back. Okay, number 3. Click. That was definitely well, seems to be number 4. Number 3 was binding on the way through. Number 2, click. One click. Get in, you bugger. Number 5. God, they were all that easy. God, that's a great one for beginners, because that really is shows you the benefits of finding the binder. Sometimes you can't really, well, not always tell anyway. So there, I don't think there's a great deal of security in that. I may be wrong, but I didn't feel nothing spooly, and that was a bit too easy for serrated. Excuse my, just got out of the shower, so I'm a little bit wet. If you're wondering why my hands are wet. Come on, clip. I bloody hate those clips. I should have taken this off first, I apologise. I just grabbed it out of the pile. Oh, for pity's sake. hold on. That was a clip and a half. Some bloody super duper thing. Right. Sorry, there's I just thought I'd pause the video as opposed to leave you watching me fanning around with clips for 5 minutes. But, like I say, I don't think there's anything super impressive inside here, so no threading or any counter milling in the chamber. Okay. Standard. 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 All the same size standards as well. How disappointing. Well, as with the last one, there won't be all standards going back in there. If anyone does want to see these. They're literally all the same size, top and bottom. There's a little one in there, but not a little one there. Even the key pins, they're all quite similar. Anyway, that is the Century Rim Cylinder in all its glory. More to come. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Be good.